Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 4 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition chapter number 15 conjunctions. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so you know conjunction means joining words. Okay, so a conjunction is a word that is used to join or combine words or clauses or sentence to fulfill a definite meaning. Okay, so conjunction are also called linking words. Clear? So here take an example. He is honest. He is truthful. Okay, so here there are two sentences. He is honest and he is truthful. So now you have to join the two sentences, okay, by using a conjunction. So here he is both honest and truthful. Okay, similarly take another example. Work hard, you will fail. So here there are two sentences, so you have to join the two sentences into one by using a conjunction. Work hard or you will be failed. Okay, work hard or you will fail. Okay, in this way we join the sentences and also words. So here fill in the blanks suitably with the words given below. So here you have to use the proper conjunctions from this box. I couldn't play. Reason why? Because my ankle hurt. Okay, here the third one. The next, the guests were to come at 5. Okay, but they haven't arrived yet. This is contrast. To show the contrast we use but. Okay, so here next here Sital, okay, Milan are good friends. Here we join two nouns. Okay, Sital and Milan are good friends. Clear? The next write neatly or you won't get good marks. So here this is result. Work hard or you will fail. Okay, similarly here write neatly or you won't get good marks. Clear? The next they held me. Okay, as they are my friends. Okay, clear? The next it was dark outside, so I couldn't find my way. He didn't work hard, so he failed. Okay, clear? Then next here there are many linking words in English. They are also called conjunctions. A conjunction is used to join words, group of words or sentences. Some of these are and, but, because, so, as, or. Okay, we will learn some more conjunction here. Read the sentences and notice how conjunctions have been used in them. So here my sister will watch TV until mom comes. Okay, so here conjunction until is used. Okay, similarly take another example. Please wait till I come back. Okay, the next year she will stop watching TV when mom comes back. Here conjunction when is used. When is used to indicate the time. Okay, suppose take an example. When I reached school it was very late. Okay, so here when is used to show the time and also until is also used. Both are until and when are used to indicate the time. Okay, that means my sister will watch TV until my mom comes. Until is indicates time. She will stop watching TV when moms come here. Here when is also used to show time. Okay. So here I will not go to the playground if it rains. If we use if in condition. If you work hard, you will pass the exam. This is a condition. If it rains, I shan't go to the market. This is a condition. Okay. Either you come to my house or I will come to your place. So here choice. Either you come to my house or I will come to your place. That means sir, either or, this is coordinating conjunctions. Either or, neither nor, not only but also, both and. So here either or, either are used to show choice. Clear? So here next, neither you or nor your friends are responsible for the broken window. So similarly, neither or nor, when two negative sentences are joined, we use neither nor. That means, suppose take an example. He is not honest. Okay. He is not truthful. Now you have to join the two sentences. The two sentences are written in negative. So here neither nor means the two sentences are in negative form. Now you have to join the sentence and you have to make the sentences into one sentence. So you have to write here, he is, okay, he is neither, okay, neither honest, okay, nor truthful. Both sentences are here negative, but we use either or when two sentences are positive. Okay, so here just look at the sentence number 4. Here, you come to my house. You come to my house. Okay, I will come to your house. Here these two sentences are in positive. Now you have to use either or. Either you come to my house or I will come to your place. We use either or when two sentences are positive. We use neither nor when the two sentences are in negative form. Clear? To write the new conjunction here. So you have to write here, okay, until, okay, until, when, then next if, okay, either or, and also neither nor. Okay, so you have to write here these conjunctions. Okay, clear? Then the following examples so what some conjunctions are used for. Okay, both my aunt and uncle sing very well. When we connect two persons, two events or things. To take an example, he will come here, he will come here, she will come here. Okay, so now you have to join the two sentences using both and. Both he and she will come here. Okay, clear? She will come here. Similarly, take another example. I will play cricket. I will play cricket. She will play cricket. Okay, now you have to join the two sentences using both and. Both I and she will play cricket. Clear? So in this way, we use both and to connect two sentences. Clear? So here, neither my aunt nor my uncle have stopped practicing. They practice every day. None of the two does something. Okay, my aunt does not have stopped practicing. My uncle does not have stopped practicing. Okay, so now you have to join neither my aunt nor my uncle. Clear? Then next, they often practice until midnight. We use until to indicate a particular point of time. Until. Take an example, wait here till I return, or you can also use wait here until I return. I have to wait here until she arrives. Okay, so in this way we use until to indicate a particular point of time. Clear? The next say they love to sing when it rains. Two events happening at the same time. Okay, two events happening at the same time, we use when to indicate the time. Okay, that means here they love to sing when it rains. That means when it rains they love to sing. Clear? When I reached school it was very late. Okay, the next is sometimes they sing for hours if friends request them to do. A condition, as we have already discussed, if it rains I shall not go to school. It is a condition. If you work hard you will pass the exam. This is a condition. Okay, similarly they either sing at concert or they have their own programs, you know, either or. That means one thing, person or event or another. Either or. We use you know, either or. Suppose take an example. You may come here, you may go there. You have to join now two sentence. You may either come here or go there. Okay, that means you have to choose one. That means, you know, alternative choice. Clear? Here fill in the blanks using the correct conjunctions from the ones given in brackets. So here, what would you do? Okay, you know, this is a condition. If a stranger hurt you. Okay, second one. Then next, a great man has said, yes, neither borrow nor lend and you will be happy. You know, the first one, neither nor. Okay. Then next year, I would love to come to the wedding if I am invited. You know, condition, if I am invited, I will attend the party. Okay, second one. Then next, the ceremony was, you know, the ceremony was long, the ceremony was boring. You have to join the two sentences into one. The ceremony was both long and boring. Okay. Then next, dash, you know, neither does Prashant like singing nor does he like dancing. You know, he does not like, Prashant does not like singing, Prashant does not like dancing. So you have to join, neither does Prashant like singing nor does he like dancing. Okay, clear? The next year I will look after the baby until, you know, time. Okay, until its mother comes back. Okay, then, you know, here either choose this dress, you know, here choose alternative. Okay, either you choose this dress or that one, both are pretty. Okay, clear? Then next here, my brother washed the dishes when I was cleaning the table. That means, you know, two action happening at the same time. My brother washed the dishes when I was cleaning, okay, the table. Here look at this picture. Okay, then next, Nina bought a new frock, Silpi bought a new frock. That means they both, okay, both Nina and Silpi bought a new frock each. You have to use here the first one, both and. Sonam kept waiting, you know, here until is used to refer the time, a particular point of time. Sonam kept waiting until it was 8 o'clock. Okay. Then next year, take the correct sentence, put a cross after the wrong ones. Correct them. You know, he is neither a fool nor a madman. You know, here neither nor, but you know, here neither or is used. You have to make a cross here. He is neither a fool nor a madman. Okay, you have to use here nor, neither nor. Okay, both you or he will have to go. You know, here both and used. You know, here there is wrong or. You have to make a cross here. Okay, both you and he will have to go. Okay, then next, it was night until she returned home. You know, it was night when she returned home. Okay, you have to write here when. Either you leave this house and I will call the police. So you know, here alternative choice. Either you have to leave this home or I will call. Not and. We have to first make a cross here. Or, okay, either or. Clear? Then next here, I speak either Russian nor German at home. Do you know, I don't speak Russian, I don't speak German at home. Do you know, both are negative. I speak neither Russian nor German. Okay, clear? Nobody slept if she returned. You know, nobody slept until. We are referring to a particular point of time. So you have to first make a cross here. The sentence is wrong. Nobody slept until she returned. Okay, then next, I will neither sing or dance. You know, here neither nor, pair conjunction, but you know, neither nor, neither or, this is wrong. So you have to write here, I will neither sing nor dance, neither nor. Okay, then next, not only John but also Peter got a prize. You know, the sentence is correct. Okay, you know, John got a prize, Peter got a prize. Not only John but also Peter got a prize. The sentence is correct. The use of conjunction in this sentence is correct. Then next, until the electricity came, the fan started to work. When, okay, when the electricity came, here two actions happening at the same time. Which action? Two actions. First, when the electricity came, the fan started to work. Two actions happening simultaneously at the same time. Okay, so you have to use here when. Clear? The next year, he visited not only Canada but also Germany. Here the use of conjunctions are correct. He visited, Canada. He visited Germany. He visited not only Canada but also Germany. This is correct. Okay. He is both educated but also well mannered. So this is wrong. He is educated. He is well mannered. Now you have to join the two sentences into one using conjunction. He is both educated and well mannered. Okay. Both John and Peter spoke at the meeting. So here the sentence is correct. Okay. John spoke at the meeting. Peter spoke at the meeting. Both John and Peter spoke at the meeting. Okay. Then next year, join the sentences using conjunctions from the box below. So dinosaurs were there, humans were not there. That means we are talking about a time. Okay, we are talking about a time. Dinosaurs were there when humans are not there. Okay, that means when humans are not there, dinosaurs are there. Okay, the moon can be seen in the night, the moon can be seen in the day. Yes, so this is a true fact. This is eternal truth. The moon can not only be seen in the night but also in the day. You have to use not only but also. Okay. Batteries have no electricity in them. They have no charger in them. Yes. Batteries have no electricity. They have no charger. Batteries. That means here the both sentences are written in negative. No electricity, no charger. That means both are negative sentences. So you have to use neither nor. Batteries neither have electricity nor charger in them. Okay. Neither nor. Then next year, water evaporates at 100 degrees centigrade. It evaporates at room temperature. That means water evaporates at 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, this is scientific truth. It evaporates at room temperature. Yes. So here water evaporates at both 100 degrees Celsius and at a room temperature. That means you have to use your both and. Okay. Then next year, photosynthesis occurs in plants. There is sunlight. That means here two actions happening simultaneously at the same time. That means photosynthesis occurs in plants when there is light. Yes, in daytime the photosynthesis occurs in plant. Okay, the photosynthesis occurs in plant when there is sunlight. Okay, clear? Then next year, people believed that the sun moved around the earth. It was proved to be untrue. Yes, in ancient time, people believed that sun moved around the earth. This is false. Until it was proved to be untrue. After that, people began to believe that sun is the center of the solar system and earth moves around it. All the 8 planets moves around it. Okay, people believed that the sun moved around the earth until, so you have to use your until it was proved to be untrue. Okay. Then next year, scientific proofs support our ideas. Scientific proofs counter our ideas. Yes, so both here positive. So here scientific proofs either support our ideas or counter them. Okay, either or. This is choice alternative. In some cases scientific proofs support, and in other cases scientific proofs counter. That means scientific proofs go against us. Okay, so you have to use here either or. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.